Hello, today the day 2, we are going to discuss about the family relationships in Malayalam. Family, Kudumbam. Again, family, Kudumbam. Mother, Amma. Mother, Amma. Father, Achan. Father, Achan. Son, Magan. Son, Magan. Daughter, Magal. Daughter, Magal. Children, Makkal. Children, Makkal. Elder brother, Chetan. Elder brother, Chetan. Elder sister, Chechi. Elder sister, Chechi. Younger brother, Aniyan. Younger brother, Aniyan. Younger sister, Aniyati. Younger sister, Aniyati. Brother, Sahodaran. Brother, Sahodaran. Sister, Sahodari. Sister, Sahodari. Grandmother, Ammama. Grandmother, Ammama. Grandfather, Appupan. Grandfather, Appupan. Grandmother, Muttashi. Grandmother, Muttashi. Grandfather, Muttachan. Grandfather, Muttachan. Aunt, Ammai. Aunt, Ammai. Uncle, Ammavan. Uncle, Ammavan. Wife, Bharya. Wife, Bharya. Husband, Bhartava. Husband, Bhartava. Baby or child, Kunya. Baby or child is Kunya. Relatives, Bendhikal. Relatives, Bendhikal. Household members, Veetugar. Household members, Veetugar. Love, Sneham. Love, Sneham. Cut.